In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a column formula in Smartsheet, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Column formulas are incredibly powerful in Smartsheet because they automatically apply calculations across an entire column, saving you tons of manual work. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access, edit, and update a column formula the right way. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tutorials and productivity tips. Let's jump right in. First, go to your Smartsheet dashboard and open the sheet where you want to edit the column formula. Make sure you're in grid view because column formulas are managed directly from the grid layout. Once the sheet loads, take a moment to locate the column you want to work with. If the column already has a formula applied, you'll see calculated values filled down the entire column. Next, click on Add Column if you need to create a new column, or click directly on the column header of an existing column that already contains a formula. From the column options, make sure the column type is set correctly. In most cases, you'll want text/number, since this supports formulas. After selecting text/number, click Apply to confirm the column settings. Now comes the most important part. Look at the top formula bar above your sheet and click on the FX icon. This is where Smartsheet allows you to view and edit formulas. When you click FX, the formula editor will open, showing the current syntax being used for that column. If this is a brand new column, the formula area will be empty. If you're editing an existing column formula, you'll see the full formula already written out. Carefully click into the formula field and start editing the syntax. This could be something simple like a sum, if, or count formula, or something more advanced, depending on your sheet. As you type, Smartsheet will help by suggesting functions and highlighting errors, which makes it much easier to get the formula right. Take your time here and double-check column references to avoid mistakes. Once you're happy with the formula syntax, confirm the change. Smartsheet will automatically apply the updated formula to every row in that column. This is one of the biggest advantages of column formulas because you don't need to drag or copy the formula manually. Any new rows added later will also inherit the same formula automatically. Finally, review the results in your sheet to make sure the calculations look correct. If something doesn't look right, you can always click the FX button again and adjust the formula. That's it. You've successfully edited a column formula in Smartsheet. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet how-to guides and workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.